Worth stay. Location is about 8 minutes to Shin-Osaka STN. Staff are all friendly and helpful. Hotel looks new and room are clean. Breakfast are simple yet filling. Definitely will stay here again. Good location for 2-night stay. Location near to Shin-Osaka Station, which convenient for us to go around using Shinkansen. It's about 5 to 7 minutes walk from the station to the hotel. The size of the room is quite big compared to the hotel we stayed. Clean bed and comfortable stay. Great place, super staff, comfy bed, great breakfast and super quick walk to / from Shin-Osaka Station. Brief stay in Osaka. The hotel is very comfortable. The room is small but has all the necessities. The buffet breakfast is diverse. Satisfied, 10/10 satisfied. Lovely staffs, clean rooms, great service, delish breakfast, and they also have luggage service. Close to Shin-Osaka Station. Basic but has everything I needed. Convenient location, basic small room but has everything for a one night. Bring earplugs as the passing trains are loud. Joy, Philippines. Location is very near Shin-Osaka Station, 5 minutes walk. Easy connection for Shinkansen train. Housekeeping is superb, breakfast is good too. Exceptional. This hotel exceeded our expectations. The staff were friendly and helpful. I also enjoyed their free breakfast. Overall, I highly recommend this hotel for your stay in the area. Shin-OsakaComfort Hotel. Very nice and clean. 5 minutes walk from Shin-Osaka Station. Look out for central exit 10. Go down to level 1F with escalators, you will see Starbucks Cafe. Go down again, you will see airport bus booth on your left. Cross traffic light, walk straight and cross another 2 zebra crossing. Turn left will get to the hotel. Room comes with complimentary breakfast, very nice to start the day. Bed not so comfortable and pillows is too soft, can request for better pillows. If you can't sleep with soft pillows,